You know what's funny? I've never done a cut crease. Concealer, trace over the line and all the way to the inner eye. Tap it in. This eyeshadow is so beautiful. Taking that brown shade, we're gonna put that in the inner. The army shade, right on the ends. In this cut crease is all about the blending. Wow. So I'm gonna fold that part in. Cool. About to do the face and I'll be right back with the final result. And this is the final look. I did the cut crease. I even do some liner. I wish I would done a lighter color and I wouldn't put it up to the brow. For my first time, I think I did really good. And yeah, I like it. It's cool. Happy Memorial Day.